Hey, how's it going? So today I want to talk to you about just something you get on every build we do. So builder grade, and what the standard protocol in the roofing industry is to use felt paper. It's 30 pound. Now, as you can see, it's easily ripped, and this is what's going on your home to protect any water from getting in through your decking. This is actually absorbs water, okay, so it's going to hold it. It's not really water resistant, and you can see I can rip this easily. What we put on every single home we do is called synthetic felt. You can't rip it, okay? It actually will protect your home. You could not have shingles on it for 60 to 90 days, even in this Texas weather, and it actually protect your home. And it's a water resistant barrier. So if water was to get under your shingles, this is actually gonna protect it from getting in the home. So we put this standard upgrade on every single one. So when you use Results Roofing, this is what we call Results Your Roof. You're gonna get a synthetic upgrade on every single roof we do.